how to make a flower tree. So the kit comes with a pot. They're all a little bit different, but they all have an opening like that at the top. Pre-wired straw flowers. So if you want to do these yourself, they need to be wired when they are fresh. It's really difficult to do it before that. So I've done all these, and you get enough in the kit and a few more than you probably need to make the flowers on your tree. So they're all pre-wired. It comes with twisted hazel branches and wire. I use the paper covered wire because I think it just looks nicer. So you want to start by arranging your hazel in a pleasing design, however you want to do it. I might not use that bit actually. Leave that one as a spare, and just have these two pieces like that. Take your wire and bind them at the bottom so that they're held together. And this wire, because it's covered in brown paper, it just kind of disappears against the stems. So I'm just going to bind those together. There we go. And then pop them in the top of your pot. And now you need to fix them into your pot. So you're going to use the wire. That's what this wire is for, is just fix them into the pot. So just wind it round the neck of the bottle. There's a little lip on this one, which is quite helpful. So it's attaching it firmly to the bottle, and then go in and out of the stems, just weaving in and out of the stems to secure them to the top of that bottle and to each other. And once you've finished, I just snip off the wire and tuck it away. I'm going to leave this intact because this one's going back in a kit. So once you've got your branches how you want to have them, I've done these as long lateral branches so that they can sit on a shelf and sit tied away. Then just arrange your flowers. These are also wired, so they're super easy to do. I start with the bigger ones nearer the centre, because that just seems to make sense to me, that the smaller little flowers will move towards the outside. Just wrap the wires around the stems. This hazel is already dried, so it's kind of pre-shrunk. If you find that your wires become loose, you can just undo your flowers and reattach them. They just literally just wrap around them. It's so effective, and it's just really, really easy to do. So you could choose where you want to place your flowers. And you may decide you want to tighten up the wire in the pot. You know, it's in your hands. Once you've got it, you can make it yours. Do whatever you like with it. Arrange it however you like. And you will end up with flowers wired on to the stems like this. And you can just arrange them however you like. There are many more flowers than these, and these look absolutely beautiful and should last you forever standing on a shelf. I'll show you some finished ones.